What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to unlock Dracula and Archero 2. The video provides a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the game's mechanics, ensuring you can add this powerful character to your roster effectively. So let's begin. Locate the Archero 2 app. After you locate the Archero 2 app, tap on it to open the app. As you can see, mine is already open. And the Archero app, tap on the Equip tab, which is located at the bottom of the screen. While we are in the Equip tab, tap on the Character tab beside the Equip tab. While we are in the Character tab, tap on the Dracula character to check on how to unlock it. As you can see, you can get him immediately by buying this character with real money. Unlike the other characters that need gems to unlock the character, like Helix, and as you can see on the screen, you can get the Dracula character too by collecting their fragments, as you can see below the character. Like Dracula, you need 50 fragments to unlock him without spending a dime on this character. Unlocking Dracula and Archero 2 involves understanding the requirements, participating in events, accumulating necessary items, and finally unlocking him through the character menu. Keep an eye on game updates and events to maximize your chances of acquiring this powerful character. Enjoy your gameplay and consider exploring other characters as well. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.